Have you ever been to a palengke and clueless on what to say to a tindero or tindera? Then, friends, this episode is right for you. If we're not friends yet here in YouTube, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow us for more Bisaya lessons. If you're ready, let's get started. Maayong buntag te, tagpila ni diri. Tag 20 lang ang kilo ani day. Kana dira, tag 5 lang ang tapok. Sige te, usa ka kilo ani og duha ka tapok ana. Tanan ako ate. Bayad na ako te o. Salamat. Salamat pud. Balik-balik ha. Now here is a challenge for you. I want you to go to a palengke and practice the phrases that we have discussed today. And let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Until then, hangtod sa sunod, daghang salamat.